Welcome to Ruji. Now we are continuing the exercise 3B here, and in that second bit fourth question we are going to solve here. Second bit fourth question, and what is the question here? If I is equal to, he is given, if I is equal 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1, this is an identity matrix of order 2, and E is equal to, he is given, and E is equal is given the matrix 2 by 2 matrix, that is 0 1 0 0, and he is asking to find, he is asking to show that, then show that he is asking to show that A capital I, B E whole to the power of E, B E whole to the power of 3 is equal to A cube into I plus 3A square B E plus 3A square B into E, 3A square B into E, where I is a identity matrix, he is given, and he is given two matrices, I is equal to 1 0 and E is equal to 0 1 and 0 0. Then show that AI plus B whole to the power of 3 is equal to A cube I plus 3A square B into I. We need to prove this one, and the solution is given that two matrices that are I is equal 1 0 0 1 and E is equal to 0 1 0 0. These are the two matrices of order 2 by 2, and LHS I am taking here. LHS is nothing but A into I plus B into E whole to the power of 3. I am directly solving here, listen carefully. A into I is nothing but 1 0 0 1. I am first of all solving AI plus BE. So this implies A into I plus B into E. E is nothing but here 0 1 0 0, and for this solution the next A into 1 0 0 0 into A and plus 0 B 0 0. If you multiply this B to this matrix, this will be the output, and the final answer is, if you add corresponding elements, A 0 A plus 0 A, 0 plus B B, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus A. This is the answer for A plus AI plus BE. Now we need to find the cube of this number. First we need to find square of this number. Square of this number is nothing but A B 0 A into again the multiplication of the same matrix. So A into A square, next B into 0 0, next A into B AB plus B into A plus AB, next 0 into A 0 0, A into 0 0 0 plus 0 0 into B 0 plus A into A square. Next this equal to A square 2AB AB plus AB 2AB 0 plus A square. This is the square of this value. Now we need to find cube of this value. AI plus BE whole cube, that is equal, this is square value, I am writing here 2AB 0 A square into the A value here, the value is here AB 0 A, AB 0 A. Just we need to multiply here, just we need to multiply A square into A cube plus 2AB into 0 plus 0. Next A square into B, A square B plus 2AB into A plus 2a square b. Next 0 into a 0 plus a into 0 0 and 0 into b 0, a square into a cube, and the output for this one is a cube. Next a square b 2a square b, completely 3a square b, and 0 plus 0, that is 0, and this is a cube. This is the cube of this ai plus b. Here we got RHS is equal to, LHS is equal to, that is LHS is equal to, I am writing here LHS is equal to a cube 3a square b 0 a cube. This is the LHS, and now we need to find RHS. RHS is nothing but a cube into I plus 3a square b into e. Let's substitute the values of I and e. I is nothing but identity matrix U0 1 1 0 and plus 3a square b. E is nothing but he is given the matrix 2 by 2 0 1 0 0. Let's multiply the coefficients to the matrix here. A into a cube into 1 a cube plus 0 0 a cube. This is the multiplication of this scalar multiplication of this matrix, and this is also a scalar multiplication here. Here all the terms are 0 except a12. So if you multiply that value with 3a square b, this is the answer. Now simply you can add the corresponding elements here. A cube plus 0 a cube, 0 plus 3a square b 3a square b, and 0 plus 0, that is 0, a cube plus 0 a cube. Here this is RHS. If you observe, LHS and RHS here both are equal. So therefore you can write it as LHS is equal RHS. Here we got the same answer. Then we can prove, we can write as a plus bi, ai plus b e whole cube, that is equal a cube I plus 3a square b into e. This is the final solution for the question 4 here. And the next question is in second bit. In next question in third bit, first question we are going to solve here. Once look at the question. Next, if he is given third bit first question, if a is equal, he is given, if a is equal to, he is given DIAG of a1 a2 a3, and then for an integer n belongs to n greater than or equal to 1, show that a to the power of n is equal to DIAG of a to the a1 whole to the power of n, a2 power n, a3 power n. This is he is asking, and here he is given one diagonal matrix having elements a1 a2 a3 for all n greater than or equal to 1. Show that he is asking to find a2 power of n is equal to DIAG of a1 power n, a2 power n, a3 power n. The solution is, if let a is equal DIAG of a1 a2 a3, can I write this diagonal matrix as a is equal a1 0 0 0 a2 0 0 0 a3. This is the diagonal matrix here. From the condition he is given a to the power of n is equal DIAG of A1 power n, A2 power n, A3 power n. See, can I write in diagonal matrix in the form of 3 by 3 matrix? A1 power n 0 0 0, A2 power n 0 0 0, A3 power n. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. Let's take LHS here. LHS is equal A to the power of n. If n is equal to 1, that value will be A to the power of n is equal to 1, and then RHS is equal to, I am taking RHS is equal A to the power of n. A to the power of n is nothing but A1 1 0 0 and 0, A2 power n 0 0, A3 power n. So here we got A to the power of 1 is nothing but A only. A is equal to, again we got A1 0 0, A2 0 0 0, A3. So it is true for when n is equal to 1. It is true for where n is equal to 1. Here we got A is equal to A1, A2, A3. In the same manner, LHS, if you substitute n is equal to 1 in the condition, we are getting the same for condition 1 here. And I am assuming that n is equal to k here. N is equal to k, and simply if you substitute n is equal to 1, that is true. In the same way, I am assuming if n is equal to k, let's substitute LHS is equal to A to the power of k. A to the power of k, in place of n I am substituting k, and then RHS is equal A1 power k 0 0 0, A2 power k 0 0, A3 power k. It is also true here. Why? Because n is equal, if I am substituting n is equal to k, A to the power of k, A2 power k, A3 power k, here we are getting. And I am assuming the simply, and the next step, n is equal to k plus 1. N is equal to k plus 1. LHS I am taking here. A to the power of k plus 1. Can I write it is it is in the form of A to the power of m plus n, that is equal formula A to the power of n into A to the power of n, A to the power of m into A to the power of n. This is the formula here. In this manner I am solving here A to the power of k into A to the power of n. So that simply we can write it as A to the power of k into A. So we can substitute A to the power of k value here, we will get the answer. Next, RHS I am taking here. RHS is nothing but A1 k to the power of place 1 and 0 0, A2, and first we need to solve the LHS here. First we need to solve the LHS, and A to the power of k we got A1 k 0 0 0, A to the power of k 0 and 0 0, A to the power of 3 k, and I am substituting this LHS A to the power of k, this one, and A, I am writing A simply. A is nothing but this one, A1 0 0 0, A2 0 0 0, A3. Let's multiply the terms here. Simply you will get A1 power k into A1, next 0 0 0, A2 power k into A2 0 0 0 0, A3 power k into A3. This is the next solution, and if you solve this one, A1 k to the power of place 1, it is in the form of A to the power of m into A to the power of n, A to the power of m plus n. So 0 0 0, A2 k to the power of k plus 1 0 and 0 0, A3 k to the power of A3 power of k plus 1. This is completely what we are taking here, LHS. and simply you can take RHS here, RHS also. I am erasing this one, RHS. RHS is nothing but RHS is here a to the power of, directly you can say RHS is here a to the power of n a1 0 0 0 a2 power of n 0 a3 power n. So here we are taking n is equal to k plus 1. If we need to substitute n is equal to k plus 1 in RHS. This is RHS and let's substitute the value. RHS is nothing but this is diagonal of element. Next substitute the values of k plus 1 in place of n here. a1 k to the power of plus 1 0 0, a2 k to the power of a to the power of k plus 1 0 and 0 0, a3 to power of k plus 1. Here if you observe LHS and RHS, LHS is equal to RHS for all the values, hence we can show that here LHS and RHS both are equal. We can say that a to the power of n is equal to DIAG of a1 power of n, a2 power of n, a3 power of n. This is all about the solution of, if A is equal to diagonal matrix a1, a2, a3 for all n greater than or equal to 1, so that a to the power of n is equal to DIAG of a1 power n, a2 power n, a3 power n. First we are solving here simply for n is equal to 1, steps to solve these questions. For n is equal to 1 and n is equal to k, it is true here, it is also assuming here, then it is true again, and n is equal to k plus 1. So it is also true here. This is all about the question number 4 here, question number 1 in third bit. And the next question is the second question in third bit is, the second question is given, if theta minus pi, if theta minus pi is equal to pi by 2, this is phi, this is pi, theta minus pi is equal to pi by 2, then show that he is asking to find cos square theta, next cos theta sin theta, this is the question here, and cos theta sin theta and sin square theta into cos square pi sin pi and cos pi sin pi sin square pi and is equal to O. O is nothing but null matrix here, and he is given cos square theta and cos theta sin theta, cos theta sin theta, sin square theta, cos square pi sin pi, cos pi sin pi, sin square pi. This is the question is equal to O. O is nothing but null matrix here, and here that is O R 0. Oh, let's see here the solution, and he is given that theta minus pi is equal to pi by 2. Theta minus pi is equal to pi by 2. Then show that the product of these two 2 by 2 matrices is equal to 0. Next, cos square. So let's write the solution here. Cos square theta cos theta sin theta, cos theta sin theta sin square theta. This is 2 by 2 matrix, first 2 by 2 matrix, and cos square pi cos pi sin pi and cos pi sin pi sin square pi. Let's multiply these two matrices here. Cos square theta cos square pi, cos square theta into cos square theta, cos square theta into cos square pi, plus cos theta sin theta cos pi sin pi, cos theta sin theta cos pi sin pi. This is the complete multiplication of A11 in the product of multiplication of 2 by 2 matrix. This is complete A11 element here. Next, cos square theta cos pi sin pi, cos square theta into cos pi sin pi. Observe carefully here, sin cos square theta into cos pi sin pi, and cos theta sin theta into sin square pi, cos theta sin theta into sin square pi, here sin square pi. This is A1 to A1 to here cos square theta into cos square pi, cos theta into cos theta sin theta into cos pi sin pi here. Next, in that way similarly I am multiplying cos square theta into cos pi sin pi, and cos theta sin theta into cos theta sin theta into sin square pi here, and cos theta sin theta into cos square pi here, cos theta sin theta into cos square pi here, and plus sin square theta cos pi sin theta, sin square theta cos pi sin pi. Next, here cos theta into this one cos theta sin theta into cos theta sin theta into cos pi sin pi, cos pi sin pi, plus next sin square theta into sin square theta, here cos theta, here first one cos theta sin theta into cos pi sin pi, and sin square theta into sin square pi, sin square theta into sin square pi. And let's take the common term here. Here what we have the common terms here, cos theta cos pi, cos theta cos pi is a common, cos theta cos pi, cos theta cos pi, and cos theta cos pi is common. If you take common here cos theta, next cos pi, plus cos theta cos pi are common. Next the remaining terms are sin theta sin pi. Similarly in this one also cos theta is common, and the remaining one is sin theta sin pi sin pi. Common term is cos theta and sin pi, both are common here. If you take common here cos theta cos pi, plus sin theta sin pi, the remaining term is. And if you take this element here, the common terms are next here sin theta and sin theta, and cos pi, sin theta cos pi is common. The remaining terms are here cos theta cos pi plus sin theta sin pi. And here in this element if you take common sin theta sin pi, sin theta sin pi, sin theta sin pi is common here. The remaining terms are cos theta cos pi plus sin theta sin phi. If you observe this matrix here, in each and every element cos theta cos pi sin theta sin pi, cos theta cos pi sin theta sin pi, cos theta cos pi sin theta sin pi, cos theta cos pi sin theta sin pi is a common for all the elements. Let's take common here. Let's take common. I am taking common here, cos theta cos pi plus sin theta sin pi as common here. Let the matrix will become cos theta cos pi, the remaining terms cos theta cos pi and cos theta sin pi, cos theta sin pi and here sin theta cos pi, sin theta cos pi and sin theta sin pi, sin theta sin pi, sin pi. This is the output matrix here, and if you observe this one, this is the formula for cos of a minus b. Cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Here the formula is plus sin a sin b here. The formula of this one is cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b here. Here cos a cos b is nothing but here in place of a theta is there, in place of b phi is there. So that this will become cos of theta minus pi. This value will become cos of theta minus pi. So let's write the value here. This is the formula here. Cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. This is the formula here, trigonometric formula. This is the trigonometric formula. According to that formula, I am writing this value as cos of theta minus pi, theta minus pi. Then it will become cos theta cos pi, cos theta I am writing as it is this matrix sin pi and sin theta cos pi, sin theta sin pi. And if you substitute theta minus phi, that is equal to pi from the condition he is given in the question, cos pi by 2. Theta minus pi is nothing but cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2, cos theta cos pi sin cos theta sin pi. Next sin theta cos pi sin theta sin pi. So cos of pi by 2, that value is 0. That value is 0 into this matrix is 0 completely. So the final conclusion is proved here. The product of these two matrices is 0 here. The product of these two matrices is here. Cos of pi by 2, cos 90 value, that is 0 here. 0 into anything, that will be 0. Then LHS is equal proved as RHS, then 0 value, this is the value. Let's once again the solution is if theta minus pi is equal to pi by 2 he is given, and he is given two matrices, the product of these two matrices can be is 0. He is asking to find. The condition is theta minus pi is equal to pi by 2. Here these are the two matrices. I am multiplying in 2 by 2 matrix way, multiplication of two matrices pattern, and this is the solution here. And after multiplying here I am taking the common term. After taking the common terms here, the common term in each and every element is cos pi cos theta cos pi sin theta sin pi. I am taking common from all the elements. This is the common term here. After taking common, this is the remaining matrix here. This is the formula for trigonometric formula of cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Cos of a minus b. If here cos a cos b, cos a minus cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b here. In place of a, it is theta, in place of b it is pi. So simply we can write cos of theta minus pi. It is in the form of this one, so directly I am writing cos of theta minus pi. He is given cos of theta minus pi is equal to pi by 2. I am substituting theta minus pi is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 is nothing but 90 degrees. Cos of 90 degrees is 0. 0 into anything will be 0. So finally this is the solution for the second question of third bit. And the next question is ఇంకా మస్తు ఉంది చెప్పేది చాలా